morning, Lake Tahoe. Wow.
Alright, an early season getaway to Tahoe. I've always loved skiing Tahoe. It's got solid west coast powder, amazing views, and a quick 50-minute drive from Reno Airport. That's shorter than most resorts in the country. This time, when we got in, we were right in the middle of the snowstorm. It was a pretty big one. The hotel garage power was knocked out all night, which sets up for an incredible week of skiing. Alright, it's a mess out here. The roads are bad, gondola's closed. It took an hour to get here, but we're here. We're about to go after it. The first day was an adventure. Heavenly spans Nevada and California. The main gondola is on the California side and about a 5-minute walk from the hotel. So I thought that would be easy to get up the mountain to catch the first chair. But the gondola was closed all morning. Different from most mountain, the base is on top of the gondola. So alternatively, I had to drive over to the Nevada side to get up to the mountain. And the drive was pretty tough. But once I got up there, it was incredible fluffy powder. Visibility wasn't great, and I had no idea what was open and what was not. So a lot of poking around. Turns out there was no way to get over to the California side. Bummer, but there's more than enough to spend the day with what we got. The second day was much better. Blue skies, great visibility. It was also a Tuesday, so the crowd wasn't even bad. I was able to get quite a few runs in. I think I got 27,000 vertical feet on that day. All of the mountain was open for action. I had to mix it up and go on all the different terrains. Everything just looks gorgeous. Especially the woods. I love the woods. So serene, trees passing by at a steady cadence, it feels therapeutic. I should mention, this is the first time I'm on these new skis. They are all mountain on the wider side, so I was having a lot more fun on powder compared to the skinny boys I was using before. These help me float on top of the snow much better. Conditions were great, and everyone looked like they were having fun, even the ski patrol. For real, one ski patrol told me, "You gotta go to Pinnacles. It's amazing there." So I went to find it was one of the more challenging areas in the whole mountain. I was trying to find the merge onto the main trail that goes to the base to take the gondola back to town, but only to find denser and denser trees. It took a while and it was tiring, but I eventually made it out. Though it got me breathing heavily, it was a nice run with really nice views and untouched powder. My favorite spot at Heavenly is the Milky Way Bowl. There, you can pick your own adventure. You certainly can't beat the wide open views. It takes just a little trek from the main catwalk to get to the top of the bowl. And from there, it's just bliss. And of course, what's a fun ski day without a fair share of wipeouts? That's it! After 4 days of great skiing, it's time to leave. The drive back to Reno is just as pretty as Tahoe itself. And for the next 3 months, Tahoe got a record-setting 400 inches of snow. It was a great season, and I hope to run it back next year.